The day America lost its muscle. Look closely at these twin blue stripes cutting through the white hood. This isn't just paint. This is the scars of an era when horsepower was dangerous and driving required actual balls. Today, if you buy a modern sports car, you're wrapped in traction control, artificial exhaust sounds through speakers, and a computer that shifts gears for you. The automotive industry calls it progress, but real car enthusiasts, we call it a tragedy. This is the 1960s Shelby Mustang, the car that defined the American dream, and the exact moment the world realized that modern cars have completely lost their damn mind. In 1964, Ford created the Mustang, and it changed everything. But it wasn't until a Texas chicken farmer named Carroll Shelby got his hands on it that the true monster was born. Shelby didn't care about cup holders, giant touchscreens, or digital dashboards. He wanted raw, unfiltered violence on wheels. Under this hood sits a legendary V8 engine. No turbos, no hybrid batteries, just pure displacement. When you turned the key in 1965, the entire chassis would shake. The interior? It was all raw leather, polished metal, and heavy mechanical gauges. It wasn't built to be comfortable. It was built to make you feel alive. Every mechanical shift of the manual. Transmission was a physical battle between you and 400 roaring American horses. Now, let's look at what happened to the industry today. Walk into a dealership in 2026, and everything looks like a silent electric appliance. Manufacturers are hiding behind the excuse of sustainability and technology to sell you soulless plastic boxes on wheels. They removed the roaring V8 engines because it's cheaper to manufacture standard electric motors. They replaced individual, beautifully crafted mechanical meters with a single, cheap digital screen because a line of code is free, but high-quality metal switches cost money. We traded the smell of burning rubber and gasoline for software updates. We traded mechanical passion for a screen that tells you where the nearest coffee shop is. Modern cars might be faster on paper, but they are completely dead inside. At the end of the day, a classic Mustang doesn't care about your screen size or your Bluetooth connection. It stands as a reminder of a time when cars had a pulse and drivers had a soul. It's an investment that will outlive every digital screen ever manufactured. So, I have to ask you, the real drivers watching this video right now, if you had the choice to garage one car for the rest of your life, are you taking a modern, ultra-tech digital supercar? Or are you firing up this raw, unfiltered V8 American legend? Choose your side wisely in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe to join the brotherhood of real car culture, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.